Hey guys, good to see you today. So today we are exploring Sir Sandford Fleming Park, also known as the Dingle Park because of the Dingle Tower, which we'll show you in a little bit. It's a beautiful day. It's actually the end of November. It's November 22nd today, and although you can't tell with my coat on, it is warm. It's like between 10 and 14 degrees today. So it's very nice. We're going to take the opportunity to go out and explore the park. Should be some ducks. I've been here before. I've only been to the actual tower. I've never taken any of the trails before. So I'm not sure what we're going to have time to do because it is supposed to absolutely downpour later today. So we'll see what we have as far as like time framing. But hope you guys like the video. It's a great place to visit if you're in Halifax and the surrounding area. It's very beautiful. It's on the water. And anyway, so stay tuned, check it out. Hope you guys like it. Ready to go to the beach?
Yes.
Yes. November beach?
Yes. Check the temperature.
Yep. You gonna go swimming?
After you.
Oh, I don't think I would want to go swimming today.
I forgot to bring swimsuit.
But you know what? If I were to go out of any day in November, it probably would be today. Because it's the only day that it's warm.
Ice water.
What do you think? Swimmable?
I think I can wait.
Yeah.
Until the summer.
Yeah, I think we'll wait till the summer too. This is all ocean water here. All nice and cold ocean water. You don't want the barnacles?
Yeah, I know, but it makes me feel so bad.
Well, let's go back up there so you're not walking on them.
I don't want to. It's okay that way.
Because of all the barnacles on those rocks?
Oh my goodness.
Oh my. What about the seaweed?
It's really good.
Yeah? You gonna make a salad?
Not this one.
No. Now, are you gonna get your short little body up this, or we gotta go all the way around?
Okay, that's good.
Which one?
Short way. Going up?
Yeah?
Yeah.
I'm saying because you're short, are you gonna be able to get your body up there? Or do we have to go all the way around?
I can't.
Can you climb that?
This one?
Yes.
Yes, why not? I have long legs.
Okay. Long legs. You say so. I think that's Crazy Train by Ozzy Osbourne.
Yes, it
Yeah?
was, yeah.
You should learn that one for the xylophone. So that's the Dingle Tower now. I've never been here when it's actually been open, but I know it has been open. I've seen videos of it being open. If you want to see, because I'm guessing with my luck it's going to be closed. So if it is closed, go check out Halifax to Hollywood. They did a video of this location. It was open. You got to see everything from the top. We're going to see what my luck is like. But like I said, never been here a time when it's actually been open. Probably because I come in like times like this where it's like non-tourist season. So it's probably my own fault. Yeah, so we'll see.
Yeah.
But it looks to me like that door is closed.
Two lions.
And I see a sign on the door. So this is the Memorial Tower. So it's built between 1908 and 1912 at the suggestion of Sir Sandford Fleming. This tower commemorates the 150th anniversary of the first representative government in Canada. Caution, do not climb. For your personal safety and for the safety of the lions, do not climb. Look at that. They're right there in black and white. I knew it. Not once can I not once can I come here and it actually be open. But so that being said, if you do come here, November is not the time to do it. It will be closed. What are you doing, looking at his butt? Oh no, there's an inscription.
No.
Oh, London.
London.
London. Percy. Percy Benton. Can you see that? Oh, a little tiny bit. I got some sort of glare. Oh, there we go. I'm sure they're probably made by the same person. Unless one person is super talented to copy. What do you think? You think it's old Percy? I think it's old Percy. Percy. London. Although this one's not quite as it's wearing off.
Big cat.
Yeah. So what do you think? Which one's your favorite? You seem to spend a lot of time around this guy.
Why only male?
Because males are powerful. King of the jungle. Even though it's the females that do all the hunting.
Female is mother.
And they hunt.
But
They do all the hunt.
Always.
That's not true.
Okay.
Okay, what do you want to name one? I'm thinking like Reginald or like William.
Why?
Or like
William?
Doug.
Doug? Make more cute name.
Like what?
Like sounds like kitty.
Oh, like
Sophie and Emma. No, they are female.
yeah.
Okay.
So you gotta do the male version.
Okay.
What do you think?
Lion 1 and Lion 2.
Lion 1 and Lion 2. That is a terrible name. If I was a little kid, I'd name it like Liony
It's terrible too.
or Mr. Lion Pants.
What? Lion Pan?
Yeah, sure. Why not?
Ah,
Yeah, you don't know.
I don't know.
Yeah, you don't know.
But sounds not like
What's lion in Japanese?
lion.
That's it.
Lion.
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 We don't have specific name. Just
Oh.
saying in English.
Oh, yeah.
Lion.
That's because we have a great name for lion.
Yeah.
Well, there we go.
Unfortunately.
There are lots of trails here that I don't know if we're going to do, only because it's going to start raining soon. And even on the on the drive in on the radio they were talking about if it hasn't started raining yet, it will very shortly. So we're probably not going to do any trails today, just in case it does start raining, unless you want to get wet.
No, thank you.
No, thank you. So with that, we're going to end the vlog today. Thank you very much for watching. If you like it, I'd love to see you hit the thumbs up, and you know, it'd be great if you guys join me. Really like doing videos for you guys, so subscribe to the channel. Like to see you in the next one. Alright, so we are just turning around now. I saw something on the drive home that I want to go back and get a little video of for you guys, because I saw it and it's absolutely hilarious. I don't know exactly what they did in order to get it to do this, but my best guess is it's a standard and they didn't put the parking brake on, because for some reason their car is in the ditch like that, and that sucks. So kids, put on your parking brake if you own a manual and you're parked on a hill. That's why. Turn your tires in, be good road people, or else that could be you right there.